Hi guys, so one more video that I wanted to share with you, baggage. If there's one thing I know about, it's bags. I'm the bag lady. I have tried hundreds of bags, all different kinds for all different things. And there really, I hate to say it, there is no perfect bag, which is why I have so many bags, because I use different ones for doing different things. So basically, my travel short little video spiel, I just want to talk about some awesome bags and things to think about when you are choosing a bag or choosing what kind of organizational aids you're going to use for your next trip. So first things first, let's talk about purses. I'm more of a backpack person. I really don't like purses. Purses are kind of obvious. I also don't like the under the clothing money belt things because then you have to like lift your shirt and show people basically what you got. So I usually just go for something small. I do a backpack because a backpack, you never know. People could be carrying valuables or they could not. They could just be carrying books, standard stuff. Doesn't really make you an obvious target. I have like a small backpack purse that I use, but then as far as money goes, I don't like having to dig for a whole lot of things, and sometimes I just like to wear things close to me that also aren't super obvious. So this is just a lanyard. It has my ID in the front, credit cards and money inside. Very small, takes up very little space, and that's something that you can wear. Just a really nice thing to have. So money lanyards, those are actually a really useful thing. They might make you look like a college student, but at least you have what you need right there, quick and easy, and nobody's tried to steal it from me yet. Next, portable shopping bags. So when you're traveling, you might want to get some souvenirs, you might want to do some grocery shopping. This is just a little grocery bag, and when you open it, voila! You have a full-size shopping bag. That's always helpful. I always bring that with me. Another thing, this is actually what I'm going to be using for my personal item or carry-on. Believe it or not, this is a diaper bag. I don't have kids, but I saw this, and the print on the front, I instantly had to have it because it just reminded me of me. A girl with long brunette wavy hair, super big sunglasses, talking to some cute animals. I mean, that's me. So this bag is a really awesome backpack. The reason why it's a diaper bag, it came with like the fold out changing mat, which that is actually a really good tool to put your tablet or laptop inside. It just keeps it padded and protective. So I use it for that instead of babies. It also has these really cool clips right here. So you could put it on like a grocery cart and it's going to hang. So that's really nice. It has two side pockets that will fit your water bottle or camera tripod, which is what I use it for. And then it has one giant pocket. Inside, I can fit my laptop. I can fit all my camera gear. Super easy. It has this outside pocket, which will fit a very large full-size book. My Golden Girls book for the cruise. But it actually came with these pouches that go in that outside pocket. And I believe it was meant for baby bottles or any of that gear. But these pouches are awesome. You can use it for makeup, you can use it for camera parts. Basically just whatever you got, keeps everything nice and organized. And it's super small, so it can be a personal item on the plane. So that was a really nice find. Don't be afraid if it says diaper bag. It's not meant for just babies. And then let's talk packing cubes. Packing cubes are what I swear by. Every trip I go on, I use packing cubes. I do the roll your clothes method. Some people fold them. It's entirely up to you. Every option works, to be honest. I've tried it all. But rolling your clothes I find is just easier. It helps prevent wrinkles. And you can actually fit a lot more in there by doing that. So this is a medium standard size packing cube. And inside, I have 4 dresses. You could probably actually fit 6, but I'm a plus size girl, so my clothing has more fabric attached to it, unfortunately. Takes up a little more space, kind of harder to pack a carry-on when you have a lot of bigger clothes. So, 1 packing cube, 4 dresses, ready to go. Last option, So this is a makeup bag. This is another thing I want you to think of as like the diaper bag. I already told you, I'm a tomboy. I don't wear makeup. I hate makeup. This is a Mary Kay makeup bag organizer, but I have found so many other uses for this. It's crazy. So basically, this giant pouch might look like it takes up a lot of space, but it's pretty cool. When you open it, it has a hook here, so you can hang it on your bathroom door, bedroom door, wherever you're at. And then it has all these individual pouches. There's 4 on this one. And nice thing is, they Velcro. So if you just need toiletries for the bathroom, or if you want to take this pouch out and put it in your carry-on or personal item to go through security, this is actually the perfect size for the TSA approved liquids that you can bring on. I've done that before. So anyway, take off what you need, put it back when you're done, nice and Velcroed on there. What I do, like I already have this packed for the cruise. So this one right here is hand sanitizer, bathroom spray, shampoo, conditioner, lotions. That's all in the first one. The second one is more cruise essentials. So I have a pillowcase, I have a loofah, I have my sea bands, I have the little clips to hold your towels to the chairs, I have my travel size toothbrush, a headband, other clips, just kind of basic cruise stuff. This one is full of makeup, and there's actually more makeup on the floor that's going to go in here. Again, I don't wear makeup, but there is one dress up night on the cruise where we are going to dress up like the Golden Girls, and my best friend is also going to dress up with me, so I not only have to do his makeup, but my makeup as well, and I have to make us look like legit old ladies, so it's gonna take a lot of makeup. And then the very last pouch, I have my medicines, I have my water swim goggles, I have that camping silverware, I have some trash bags, I have my jewelry. So pretty much everything I could need that is small, that might get lost in a suitcase, it's all going to be organized and fit in here, and I can take off what I need. I have used these before for all my camera gear, so I'll have like my little items for the video camera, some lenses or other things could go in here, cleaning spray and cloths could go in this one. I've used it for art supplies before, pencils, crayons, markers, paint, whatever. You can do anything with this bag. So even if you're a dude or somebody who doesn't wear makeup like me, don't be afraid to pick up a makeup bag organizer because you can do 1,000 things with this bag. And again, when you're ready, fold it up, voila. So that's what I've got for travel bags. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments or share with me some of your awesome finds and ideas when you travel. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks. Bye.